To clone a voice using Play.ht, start by visiting the Play.ht website and navigating to the voice cloning product. From there, click on Clone a Voice Now and sign up if you haven't already, answering the required questions about your intended use of the service. Once you're signed in, click on Voice Cloning on the left side and then Create a new clone. You can choose between instant or high-fidelity cloning, depending on your plan. Enter a voice name, upload a high-quality audio sample without background music, and select the voice gender. You can also add a description of the voice. After uploading the file, you'll have the option to create a clone, and you can choose between a normal and enhanced version. Once you've selected the version you prefer, you can use the cloned voice to generate speech. To do this, enter your desired script, select the cloned voice, and click Generate Speech. This will produce a speech using the cloned voice. The process is relatively straightforward, and with a few simple steps, you can create a clone of your own voice or any other voice you'd like to replicate.